As we've seen, that winter storm's really been affecting everything.
Yeah, it did. Affected even the NBA as well. In fact, the Memphis Grizzlies had to postpone their game this afternoon with the Denver Nuggets because of treacherous road conditions. Our Colin Cody has more.
Yeah, guys, so it was only about 3 hours before the Memphis Grizzlies and the Denver Nuggets were supposed to tip off for today's game, and that's when it was postponed for a later date. As fans in Memphis, well, they still wanted to make the best of the situation and get out and about in downtown Memphis. And we spoke to a few fans and how they're coping with dealing with the weather.
We made it in the door here, and they told us that they heard the news. So we said, well, then we're going to have to get a few extra drinks. But obviously, pretty disappointed about that.
Snow days are always big for us. This is a walkable community, so a lot of folks didn't choose to stay open, so we kind of benefit from that, and hopefully we can keep the service levels up and keep everybody having a good time.
So as you can see, a lot of fans are still out here enjoying themselves in downtown Memphis, cheering on the Grizzlies, even though they're not playing. Hopefully they'll tip off against the Houston Rockets on the road tomorrow at 7 p.m. But you know what? It's a snow day, so a lot of Memphians are taking fun here at Birdie's in South Main. But for your sports leader, I'm Colin Cody, News Channel 3 Sports.